Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM.
Again, before people are just mentioning Lekki, they shoot in Lekki. What causes the shooting? Is it not we? On Tuesday morning again, nobody touched you. Nobody even harassed any youth. You went to, I don't know what they call that place, Jeromi fellow local government, to burn that place. No, to Tuesday morning, no any curfew then. You went to that local government to burn it down. From there, you went to Orile. Look, I saw that one live. I was crying. You decided to beat the police officer to the last, killing him, macheting him. That, they killed that man. Not on Tuesday morning. And Yoruba will say, only Luoni video too now. The governor now wake up and said, enough is enough. There should be a curfew on Tuesday afternoon. Then you said you are still in Lekki. Mr. Speaker, we had it clearly in what they are sending all this. You can have lacuna. Maybe you may pull lacuna in that their committee. So search the constitution for them. That is it, if the governor can pronounce something in the state, and you people decided that you will not go away. Who are we? Are we going to take a law into our hands? Is that day that we want to hand the SARS and make sure they replace another one? Mr. Speaker, let me just leave that one in case for the people that want to work on that. Work. Don't say only Lekki. They said they remove camera at the end of the day. But some of them don't know what they are talking. The person that is managing a place, you will not allow you to damage. They don't even know differentiate between the camera and the one that is make sure capturing you.
DJM TV.
The important thing is you're being called to service. If you're being called to service, you're meant to be what they call a dump.
So how have you been able to cope, like being a legislator and you're still having time for your fans on social media?
Oh yes, I've made it a point of duty because the social media was very instrumental to my victory. So I have to let them know, step in, step out, everything that happens. And this is 2015, so you have to let people abreast of situations and things going on.
Politics shouldn't be as sad a situation as it's being portrayed. It should be something we should be talking about. Everybody's happy. We are dissing somebody or we are encouraging somebody. The growth of Nigeria should be a collective one.
Mr. Speaker, we need to address certain things. The Nigerian youth, the social media.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.